Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to share a Google Docs file. Friends, if you want to share your Google Docs file with someone, then you simply need to open Google Drive on your web browser. Now here you need to open your Google Docs file which you want to share. Now here in your Google Docs file, you need to click on share. Now to share your file, you need to change this restricted to anyone with the link. Now here you can edit the permissions. By default it is on viewer. The person having the link can view your Google Docs file. You can change it to commenter or editor. If you want the other person to edit your Google Docs file, then you can select editor. Otherwise you can leave it on viewer. So the person having the link can only view your Google Docs file. Then click on copy link and click on done. Now you can share this link on WhatsApp. I will simply open WhatsApp. Here I have simply pasted the link and click on the send button to share my Google Docs link in WhatsApp. So friends, like this you can very easily share your Google Docs file. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.